Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidina Muhammadin wa ahli baytihi at-tayyibin at-tahirin.
Introducing Sheikh Hassan Mwalupa. The country of Kenya, with a population of over 54 million people, is located in East Africa and has people interested in learning the teachings of Ahlal-Bayt. And here, Tanga is the hometown of one of the missionaries of the Ahlal-Bayt's way and those related to Ahlal-Bayt World Assembly in East Africa. Sheikh Hassan Mwalupa, born in 1957, dedicated his life to translating Islamic books into Swahili. He studied at Shamis School and then went to Bilal Muslim Mission Institute in Mombasa, Kenya for further Islamic studies under the supervision of Maulana Sheikh Zafar Abbas. Later, after a 3-year trip to Iran and studying at the seminary, Sheikh Hassan returned to Mombasa. With the help of Sheikh Abdullah Nasser, he established Amir al-Mu'mineen School in Matoga City. And in this way, he sent many students to continue studying Islamic sciences abroad, many of whom obtained different scientific degrees and now, as imam, teacher, and preacher, are active in different centers of East Africa. Also, about 3,000 students have studied directly under the supervision of late Mwalupa, and they remember him as a role model. Also, until his death, he was actively recording programs for TVIBN Africa, and during the coronavirus epidemic, he held online classes at the Bilal Muslim Missionary Institute in Kenya. Sheikh Mwalupa collaborated in various translation projects, among which we can mention these cases. Translation of the 3-volume Tafsir al-Kashif by Allama Muhammad Jawad Muqniya in Swahili. This translation has been highly praised and many imams of African mosques use it. Translation of the Holy Quran in Swahili language. Also, cooperation in the project of writing the commentary of the Holy Quran is one of his other activities. And the late Mwalupa has evaluated many religious books published in Swahili language. Sheikh Mwalupa's modesty, honesty, hard work, and discipline were prominent and famous. He played a fundamental role in propagating the Ahlal-Bayt religion in the East African region, and he spared no efforts in this way.
Fima qala, nashuhudia kwa Mwenyezi Mungu kuwa yeye ni muongo katika anayoyasema. Atasema hivyo naye mara 4 na mara 5 atasema ghadabullahi alayya in kana min as-sadiqin.
Finally, after a lifetime of struggle and tireless scientific and cultural efforts to promote the Ahlal-Bayt's way, Sheikh Hassan Mwalupa passed away in 2021 in Mombasa, Kenya, and rushed to his homeland and was buried in Kuwali. Following his death, personalities and religious institutions issued condolence messages and condoled the loss of the deceased. In his condolence message, Sheikh Najafi, the president of the African Assembly, described Sheikh Mwalupa as a beacon of light who enlightened the hearts and souls of many students and followers of Ahlal-Bayt during his many years of preaching. Also, it is stated in the message of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt on the occasion of the death of this member of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, the death of the scholar, the commentator of the Quran, and the great translator of the books of Ahlal-Bayt, Sheikh Hassan Mwalupa, from the country of Kenya, caused us to be impressed. He was one of the pioneers of publishing Ma'arif Ahlal-Bayt, who devoted his blessed life to translating the books of Ma'arif Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them.